Welcome to my dear student. This is second part of decimals. In this class, I will show you about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. First we will know addition of decimals. So we will take two decimal number. Okay. First we have to convert both decimal numbers into like decimals. So we will convert first first one is the one place decimal number and second one is the three places of decimal number. So we will convert both of number into three places decimal number. If we will put right side 20 extreme right side of 20 in first decimal, then it will convert into three decimal places. And second one also present. Okay. Now we will write to addend one under another and keeping the decimal point in same column and digits of all digits in same place in same column. Okay. Now we will arrange. Keeping the decimal point in same column and digits of all place in column same column. Okay. Now we will add. As we do in whole number, that time we will add. Okay. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And under decimal point, we will direct put decimal point, and 6 plus 2 8. This is the sum of 2.3 plus and 2.3 and 6.239. Okay. Now we will take another example. Okay. Here both are in same decimal places, so both are like decimals number. So we have to only arrange in column one under another. The first we will write 6.203 and the second we can write also 22. We have to only require decimal point under in same column. Okay. Then we write 629. Then as we do in whole number like that, we can have 9 plus 3 is equal to. So if we put convert like decimal, we will put here 0. It will be easy for you. 9 plus 3 is equal to 8. Keep here 2. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1 3. 6 plus 2 8. And we will keep here direct we will put decimal point under the decimal point, and 6 plus 2 8. Then 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay. If you want to put 0 also direct we can write 2 put 6 plus 2 8 and 2 put 2. Okay. So now we got answer 28.832. Okay. Now we will know how to subtraction of decimal. First we will take two number. The here first one is the three decimal places of places number, and second one is the two decimal places number. So first we have to convert both number into like fraction. So first one 60.203 we write, and again second one convert to like decimals number, then it will be 280. If you will put 0 after right side of the decimal number, So 0 has no value, so we can put so 3.280. Okay. Now we will write it is the smaller decimal number. This one is the larger decimal number. So smaller decimal number under larger decimal number, and keeping the decimal point in same column, and a digit of same place in same column. Okay. First we will write 60.203 and we will put decimal point in same column and right number. Okay. All digit, so 0 below the 3. So because 0 is the thousandth place, so we will write here 8 also in same column in place wise. Okay. Now we will subtract as we do in whole number. Okay. 3, 10, 8, 2. 8 we can subtract from 0, so we will carry over 10, 8, 2, and this one 11 to 9, and we will put direct decimal point here, and then it will be, we can subtract 3 here, we will direct 9, 3, 6, and this one 5. We got 60.203 subtract 3.28 is equal to 56.923. Okay. Now we'll take another example. Okay. First one is the second two places decimal number, and the second one is the one place decimal number. So we have to convert both decimal number into like decimal number. So we will write first one, keeping whatever may be. First we will write first one, and second one convert to like decimal. Okay. Now we will write one under another. First we will write larger decimal number, and then smaller decimal number, and keeping the decimal point in same column is very important, and all places in same column also very, all digit place in same column is very important. Okay. Now we will subtract as we do in whole number. 2, 0, 2, 1 we can subtract 0, then carry over 10, 1, 9, and put direct decimal point under decimal point, and 4, 3, 1. Okay. Now we got answer is equal to 1.92. In this type we can subtract of decimals. Okay. Now we know multiplication of decimals. Okay. Now we'll take two number. In the multiplication, first we have to ignore the decimal point. What we will do? First ignore the decimal point and write one under another. Okay. Now we multiply as we do in whole number. That time direct we will multiply. 2 to 4, 2, 3, 6, 6 to 12. To keep your 2 carry over 1, 6 to 18, 19. Okay. Now 4, 6 to 8, 9, 1. And where we put decimal point? First count the given number, first one, after from right side, after 1 digit decimal point is present, and the second one also, after from right side, after 1 digit decimal point is present. That means this one 1 digit after decimal point, this one 1 digit after decimal point. So total 2 digit. So we'll count in the result from right side after 2 digit we will put decimal point. Okay, and this one is the result. Okay, now we'll take another example of multiplication. Okay, first we have to ignore the decimal point and write one under another and multiply both number as we do in whole number. 6 to 12, keep your 2 ones, 6 is 36. Now where we will put decimal point? The first one, first decimal number after 2 digit from right side decimal point is present, so we will run second one has no decimal point, so first one 2 digit after from result come from right side after 2 digit we will put comma. The answer is the 36.12. Okay, in this type we can multiply any decimal number to whole number to decimal number, and decimal number to decimal number. Only we have to remove the decimal point, and after how many digits are given decimal point after from right side, and after multiply we have to only put the decimal point like this one. Okay, now we will know when 10 and 100 and 1000 multiply with any decimal number, then what will happen? Okay, suppose 6.2 will multiply 10, then what will happen? How will to direct? Listen, 6.2 into 10 when we multiply, then direct how many 0 in 1? 1 0. So we will shift the decimal point to the right 1 digit and keep, and if we will keep here write this one also, we can write 62 direct. Okay, if we multiply 100 in decimal number, then what we will do? Write the number whatever is given, and where we will put decimal point? Write 2 digit. How many 0 in 1? 2 0. So from decimal point to right side after 2 digit we will put decimal point. So after digit only 1 digit is given and another digit is not given, so we will put direct 0. 6 to 0 we will put decimal point. If you want decimal point after all are 0, so we can direct write 620. Okay, if we multiply 6.2 into 1000, then what will happen? Direct write the number. So how many 0 present in 1? 3 0. So we will write after decimal point to right after 3 digit we will put. So here only 1 digit is present, and where we will get another 2 digit, that place we can fill up with 0. So 1 digit and another 2 digit. Okay, in this time we easily multiply 10, 100 and 1000 with the decimals number. Now we know division of decimals, so we will take one decimal number first. We will try one decimal number divide one whole number. Okay, how we will do? First decimal number convert into fraction, and the second one we will take its reciprocal and then multiply. So 64 we can write 64 by 10, and then we will put multiplication sign, and this one we will take its reciprocal. Now, okay, then we can write this one 64 by 50. Okay, now we will take a decimal number into decimal number. Now decimal number divided by decimal number, how will do? Okay, first both number we have to convert into fraction because both are present in decimals number. And the second one, write in put sign, change sign multiplication and write in reciprocal order. So we'll write 6.4 is equal to will be 64 by 10 and put sign it instead of division we can put multiplication and 32 by 10 का reciprocal will be 10 by 32. Okay, and got both number 32 to 64. So answer is the 2. Okay, now we'll do a whole number divided by decimal number. 6 divided by 3.2. So 6 divided by 3.2 means we'll write 6 to 6 and we'll put multiplication and this one will be its reciprocal will be 10 by 32. Okay, and that becomes 60 by 32. In this type we can divide a whole number with a decimal number, a decimal number with a whole number, decimal number divided by decimal number. Now we know when we divide a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, then what will happen? Suppose 6.02 divided by 10, then what will happen? So here how many zero present in 1 0? So we have to shift decimal point to left one place, then we will get answer and that will be question. So here decimal point is present, so we will put shift one place to the left, so it will be 0.602. Okay, this one is the question. Now when we will divide 100 a decimal number, then what will happen? So how many zero present in 1? 2 0. So we have to shift after decimal point to left 2 digit. So it will be, so only 1 digit present. So where we will get another digit? That place we will put with 0. Put decimal point. Then we will write 602. Okay. Now when we will divide this number with 1000, then what will happen? Like that, how many zero present in 1? 3 0. So we have to write put decimal point and this one we have to 3 digit after after decimal we will put decimal point. So only 1 digit present. So after another digit we can put 0. 6.602. Okay. In this type easily we can divide 10, 100 and 1000 by decimal number. Okay. Now we know some using of decimals. Some use of decimals. Okay, using of decimals. Where we will use generally our day lives, we will use in currency, length. Okay, suppose when we write 5 rupees 10 paisa, 5 rupees 10 paisa, how will convert 5 rupees? 5 rupees 10 paisa. How will convert in decimal? Rupees 5.10. Suppose 100 rupees 5 paisa. 100 rupees 5 paisa. Then this decimal, how will convert this rupees into decimal? 100 rupees will write 5 paisa means 0 5. 100 rupees 5 paisa. Okay. In this type we can any rupees we will convert into decimal. So any rupees we will take, suppose 62.02. 62.02 rupees. That means 62 rupees and 02 paisa. 2 paisa. 02 paisa means only 2 paisa. When we will write 62.20, then it will be 62 rupees and 20 paisa. Okay. Now we will convert length. Some length we will know. Convert from length to decimal. When we will write 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer 55 meter. 55 meter. Then what? How will convert into decimal? 5 kilometer means 5 kilometer plus 55 meter means 55 upon 1000. Why? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5 plus 55 by 1000. And this one we will write 5 plus 0.055 and 5.055. Okay. So here 5 kilometer 55 meter, 5 kilometer 5 meter and 5 kilometer 500 meter, all are different. So 5 kilometer 5 meter, how will convert into decimal? 5 kilometer we will write 5, but here 5 meter means 5 upon 1000. So we will write 5 plus 5 by 1000, and this one direct we can 5 into 0.05. So this one is the 5 kilometer 5 meter. Okay, and when will this one will convert? 5 plus 500 meter means 500 divided by 500 upon 1000, and this one we can write 5.5 kilometer. Okay. In this time, we measure it time, we will use decimal in our daily lives. If you like my video lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get new videos. Thank you for watching.